Over the years, I have come across many people who have never been on a cruise ship and would never consider cruising as a way of vacationing. And while it may not be for everyone, I understand that's true. But most of the reasons I've heard for them choosing not to try it were based on their misconceptions about what modern cruising really has to offer. So I wanted to take the opportunity to put some of those misconceptions to rest. So let's debunk 20 of the most common cruise misconceptions. Cruising is an enchanting way to explore the world, yet a slew of myths and misconceptions can deter potential cruisers. These misconceptions range from who cruises to the cruise experience itself. Here at Cruise's Edge, we tap into our decades of cruise experience and share what we've learned over the years to help improve your cruise vacations. 1. Cruises are only for older people. False. While cruising was once associated with an older demographic, the industry has evolved significantly. Modern cruise lines offer a diverse range of activities, amenities, and itineraries that attract passengers of all ages, from families with children to young couples and solo travelers. Truth. To cater to younger travelers, cruise lines have introduced adventurous shore excursions, high-energy entertainment, and nightlife options. Plus, some ships offer designated adult-only areas for a quieter experience. 2. Cruises are crowded and overwhelming. False. While some areas of the ship can become busy during peak times, cruise ships are designed with ample space to accommodate passengers comfortably. If you prefer a quieter atmosphere, you can always find serene spots like lounges, libraries, or your cabin. Truth. To avoid crowds, consider cruising during off-peak seasons when the ship is less likely to be at full capacity. Additionally, choosing a larger ship can provide more space and facilities to spread out. 3. Cruises are boring. False. Modern cruise ships offer an incredible variety of onboard activities and entertainment options. From dazzling live shows and water parks to tranquil spa experiences, state-of-the-art fitness facilities, and numerous dining choices. There's something for everyone. Truth. To enhance your cruise experience, look for ships that align with your interests. For instance, choose a ship with a reputation for exceptional culinary experiences if you're a food enthusiast, or opt for one with a robust enrichment program if you're interested in learning and exploration. 4. Cruises are expensive. False. While luxury cruises can be costly, there are plenty of affordable cruise options available. Keep an eye out for deals, promotions, and budget-friendly cruise lines that offer exceptional value for your money. Truth. Cruise lines often provide special offers, such as early booking discounts, last-minute deals, or packages that include airfare. Planning your cruise well in advance or being flexible with your travel dates can help you secure the best rates. 5. Seasickness is inevitable. False. Modern cruise ships are equipped with advanced stabilizers that significantly reduce the rocking motion. Additionally, you can take seasickness medications or try natural remedies like ginger or acupressure wristbands. Truth. To minimize the risk of seasickness, choose a cabin located midship on a lower deck, as this area typically experiences less motion. Also, keeping an eye on the horizon and staying hydrated can help alleviate symptoms. 6. You'll gain weight on a cruise. False. While cruise ships offer a plethora of dining options, they also provide healthier choices, such as salads, grilled seafood, and vegetarian dishes. Furthermore, onboard fitness facilities and classes make it easy to stay active. Truth. Cruise lines are increasingly focusing on wellness and healthy dining options. Some even offer wellness-themed cruises with specialized programs designed to help you maintain your well-being while enjoying your vacation. 7. You have to dress up every night. False. While some cruise lines have formal nights, many have relaxed dress codes for most evenings, making casual attire perfectly acceptable. Check your cruise line's policy before packing. Truth. Most cruise lines include guidance in their daily newsletters or apps about the expected dress code for each evening. This helps passengers plan their outfits accordingly, ensuring they feel comfortable and appropriately dressed. 8. You'll be stuck on the ship all day at ports false. Cruise itineraries are designed to provide ample time in ports of call, allowing passengers to explore destinations and immerse themselves in local culture. Truth. Research and plan your shore excursions in advance, or take the opportunity to explore ports independently. This flexibility ensures you get the most out of your time ashore. 9. You have to tip excessively false. Many cruise lines now include gratuities in the cruise fare or offer prepaid gratuity packages, simplifying the tipping process. This makes tipping less burdensome and more transparent. Truth. If you receive exceptional service and wish to tip additional amounts to specific crew members, it's always appreciated but entirely at your discretion. 10. Cruises are not safe. False. Cruise lines prioritize passenger safety and have stringent safety protocols in place. They undergo rigorous inspections to ensure their ships meet the highest safety standards. Truth. Familiarize yourself with the ship's safety procedures and emergency evacuation routes during the mandatory safety drill held at the beginning of each cruise. Cruise staff are well trained to respond to any emergencies. 11. Cruises are bad for the environment. False. While older ships raised environmental concerns, modern cruise ships adhere to strict environmental regulations. Cruise lines are investing heavily in sustainable practices, such as reducing emissions, minimizing waste, and implementing advanced wastewater treatment systems. Truth. Some cruise lines have even committed to reducing their carbon footprint and have introduced innovative technologies, like liquefied natural gas, LNG propulsion, to make their ships more eco-friendly.
Hi cruisers, I'm Shay, your cruise director. We're sailing under beautifully clear skies today. But I've just gotten word from the captain. Apparently there's a YouTube algorithm monster just ahead. A lot of research and effort goes into making a video like this. Hopefully if we keep things ship-shape, the algorithm monster will let us pass. We'll start by swabbing the deck. You can help us out by polishing up that like button and gently depressing it. You can smash it if you like. But we would like to be able to say no, like buttons were harmed in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to show the subscribe button some attention, and ring the bell so you will be notified of our upcoming videos. It would help us out greatly. We have some really good content coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright guys, this is Shay, your cruise director signing off. Thanks, and back to the video.
12. All cabins are tiny and cramped. False. Cruise ships offer a wide range of cabin categories, from cozy interiors to spacious suites with private balconies. You can choose accommodations that suit your preferences and budget. Truth. Consider your priorities when selecting a cabin. If you plan to spend more time outdoors and in public areas, a smaller, less expensive cabin may suffice. However, if you value private space and a view, upgrading to a cabin with a balcony or larger square footage is worth considering. 13. You'll be forced into group activities. False. While group activities and entertainment are available, you're never obligated to participate. Cruise lines understand that passengers have different preferences and provide a variety of options to cater to individual tastes. Truth. Review the daily schedule of activities to identify those that interest you. You can also enjoy your cruise at your own pace, whether it's relaxing by the pool, reading a book, or taking a leisurely stroll on the deck. 14. Cruise ships are dirty and unsanitary. False. Cruise ships adhere to strict cleanliness and sanitation standards to ensure the safety and health of passengers. They are regularly inspected by health authorities to maintain high cleanliness levels. Truth. To further alleviate concerns, familiarize yourself with the ship's sanitation practices. You'll often find hand sanitizer stations throughout the ship and notice crew members continuously cleaning and disinfecting public areas. 15. You'll be bored on sea days. False. Cruise lines offer a wide range of activities and entertainment on sea days to keep passengers engaged and entertained. These can include spa treatments, educational lectures, cooking demonstrations, dance classes, and more. Truth. Check the daily schedule to plan your sea day activities in advance. Whether you're interested in learning, relaxing, or enjoying the ship's amenities, there's usually something to suit your preferences. 16. You have to stick to the ship's itinerary. False. While cruise lines offer shore excursions, you're not obligated to follow their recommendations. You can explore ports on your own, book excursions independently, or even modify your plans once ashore. Truth. Research and plan your port visits based on your interests. Many experienced cruisers recommend researching local transportation options and attractions ahead of time to make the most of your time in port. Lack of shows and activities. False. Most cruise lines offer a variety of entertainment options, including live shows, musical performances, educational lectures, and interactive activities. These events are designed to cater to a broad range of interests and preferences. Truth. To ensure you don't miss out on shows and activities that interest you, review the daily schedule provided by the cruise line. Many activities are scheduled in advance, allowing you to plan your days accordingly. You'll be pressured to shop. False. While cruise ships have onboard shops selling everything from souvenirs to luxury items, there's no obligation to shop. Passengers can enjoy their cruise experience without feeling pressured to make purchases. Truth. If you're interested in shopping, take your time to explore the onboard boutiques and duty-free stores. Most cruise lines also offer shopping talks and promotions so you can make informed choices. It's hard to stay connected. False. Many modern cruise ships offer internet access, either through satellite or Wi-Fi connections. While internet packages can be pricey, staying connected is entirely feasible while at sea. Truth. Consider purchasing an internet package that suits your needs, whether it's for occasional checking of emails or staying active on social media. Keep in mind that internet speeds on cruise ships may not match those on land. You won't get enough sleep. False. Cruise ships are designed for passenger comfort, and cabins are equipped with amenities to ensure a restful night's sleep. Most cruise lines also offer a range of pillow options for personalized comfort. Truth. To enhance your sleep quality, choose a cabin located away from high-traffic areas and noisy venues. Consider using earplugs or a white noise machine if you're sensitive to noise. In conclusion, it's essential to separate fact from fiction when it comes to cruising. Remember, modern cruise ships cater to a diverse range of travelers, offering an array of activities, dining options, and accommodations to suit every taste and budget. With stringent safety measures, cleanliness protocols, and a commitment to sustainability, cruising today is more enjoyable and responsible than ever before. Bon voyage, and may your cruise be filled with wonderful memories and new discoveries.